Hey there tech buddies, welcome back to IMS Coding. Today we are talking about something that confuses many, coding versus programming. I am Shaikh Imran and in this video we will clear up the distinction between these two essential tech terms. Let's start with coding. Coding is like giving a computer a specific instruction. It's telling the computer what to do step by step. For example, creating a web page or a simple program involves coding. It's like a following recipe to cook a meal. Now let's see what is programming. Programming is a bit broader. Programming includes coding, but it's more. It's about problem solving, planning software, and creating entire systems. Programmers not only write code but also figure out how different pieces of code work together to make a software or an app function. Coding is like writing down individual steps, and programming is the bigger picture where you plan and design the whole process. Coding is like following the steps of a DIY project, while programming is being the engineer who designs the entire building. It is the cool part. You need both. Coding and programming work together. You start with coding, writing down a specific instruction, then you step into programming, where you figure out the best way to put those instructions together to create something amazing. Now let's see a real life analogy. Think of it like a building with Lego bricks. Coding is putting individual bricks together, and programming is creating complex structures and designs using those bricks. Both are equally important to build something impressive. To sum up, coding is about a specific instruction and programming is about the bigger plan. Both are like superpowers in the tech world. Mastering both opens doors of tons of exciting opportunities. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our future tech talks. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember, whether you love coding or dream about being a programmer, both are awesome skills that let you create incredible things. Keep coding, keep programming, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy tech adventures, everyone.